those salty chips. A hailstorm.
Whoa, if I got knocked off a chair with a piece of hail, then I would have been choked.
Well, pieces of hail are frozen.
That's true, and that's a natural disaster, so how about you stay indoors? Yeah, it's not done raining, it's pouring out there. I can see from the window, that's why we're staring.
Oh my gosh, the hailstorm was so severe that some hail pieces got inside our house.
That is some wide pieces of rain.
It's like three things at once, like thunder, combined with thunder, rain, and then pieces of ice, and you get that. Thunder slashing, the rain's pouring, and the hail is, well, pouring too.
If this gets any worse, then we have to go into the basement.
Please note that we're actually inside a house, we're just pretending. And the prosecutor weren't here.
Actually recorded some news right there. That's a big one.
No, I recorded the news, not you.
Oh.
You did not know that, didn't you?
Wait, we don't have to go to the basement if it gets any worse. Well, we would have to, but then there's gonna be a power outage, which is not gonna be good.
Well, it's not time to record Peppa Pig. It's time to focus on the hailstorm and the thunderstorm and the rainstorm. So, okay, focus.
You say yoga? I like doing.
I know you do it like 3 times every day, but we're focusing on a rainstorm, which might advance to a tornado. This is a big pig. Well,
Right after the storm ends, we're just gonna have endless puddles and our house is gonna turn into a lake.
we should go to the basement.
No, if there's way more thunderstorms and the rain pours down faster and there's more hail, then I guess we have to.
Okay, so it's fine right now?
Yes.
There's a hailstorm.
Okay, Tom, we did. Time for TV. It's time to record.
But if there's a power outage, there might...
We all know what a power outage is.
Well, if we had a power outage, then we're just gonna have, well, blacked out things, and our cameras will stop recording, and the TV below us will stop recording too. It's gonna be a nightmare. Wait, did it stop?
I don't think so. Oh, it's just made it worse.
Did you like those salty chips, Ben?
I just found out something bad.
What is it, Ben?
We're gonna have a.
What?
No, we're gonna have a tornado. It's gonna blow through our house and knock everything off the shelves.
We might have to bring everything into the basement where it's crowded.
Like, everything was fine until it said severe thunderstorms, and it's just now, well.
Was that really what you had to say?
No, just a fact.
Oh, okay, but what did you really want to say?
I'm allergic to salt.
No, you're not. Stop playing silly games.
Fine, I was just joking.
Okay.
I'm watching TV right now, and it says Supersonic Science by Nick Jr. Oh, look at that hail combined with, well, boom.
Wow.
You scared?
No.
Hmm.
Oh, what is it, Ben?
Oh, nothing.
tornado coming in?
There's no such thing as a Thornado, it's just a myth.
Oh, you'll see when it comes in. It's a Thornado.
Oh, okay.
That's a big rumbler. Oh. Remember your prank call video?
Remember your dance party video?
Oh, yes. Oh. Is that a burp?
Yes, because, well, I'm still burping after eating all those salty chips.
That was the loudest burp I ever heard.
Our power outage might come in a moment, but I hope we are prepared.
Oh. Oh, yes, you have our basement coming. It will just eat us.
Whoa, that was a big one. You hit a salty chip with sauce on it, that's it.
Oh. I want that chip.
Whee! Alright, Tom, you win. Here's the...
Thanks, Ben. I was so salty.
I was really salty when you didn't give me that chip.
Oh.
What's that?
Well, I hope we...
I hope that Thornado doesn't come.
Oh. Find out in part 3.
Okay, I hope part 3 comes out shortly.
I hope so too. Let's end the video right now.
Okay.
Oh.